In this video, I show you how you can unpublish your Wix website. So first of all, just head over to Wix website. You can do this by clicking on the Wix icon if you're not in the panel where it shows all of your sites. And let's click on any particular website that is already published. I'll just click on this one. And if it is already published and showing it as public, you can easily unpublish that. So right now I'm in my dashboard. From here, just click on Site and Mobile App Info and then go to Website and SEO and click on Website. So this will take you to this area where it shows that this website is public and it is live. So if you want to unpublish that, it's very simple. Just click on this site settings right at the corner. And now with this option, site is published status, on the right hand side, we have the unpublish option as well. Just click on that and click on unpublish. And that's how you do it. Now the status is changed to unpublish. So this is how you can unpublish your website on Wix. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.